Today, we're going to talk about the difference between statistical significance versus practical significance. Statistical significance is achieved when we get a result that is very unlikely to occur by chance. So when the probability of an event occurring by chance is 5% or less, then we are going to say it is statistically significant. So let's say we flip a coin 100 times and we have two possibilities. In one case, I got 52 heads out of 100 tosses. Someone might argue 52 is more than 50%, so the coin favors the head. But a statistician would say, no, it could easily get 52 heads just by chance with a pair of fair coin. So even though that is more than 50%, it is not statistically significant. On the other hand, if I got 97 heads out of 100 tosses, that's not likely to happen by chance. The likelihood of that happening by chance is very, very small. It is almost impossible. So here I would say the result is statistically significant. So this coin favors heads. And then for the practical significance, we want to consider if it has a real world implication. In other words, we want to figure out whether the results actually matter in the real world using common sense and context. So imagine a weight loss program. Let's say it produces statistically significant results, meaning the weight loss wasn't just some random chance. But what if the average weight loss is just 2.1 pounds after a whole year? It's statistically significant, sure, but not super helpful in real life. To these people, it is not worth the time, cost, and effort for a whole year just to lose 2.1 pounds. Here's another example. Let's say you're conducting an experiment on energy drink versus performance on a math test, and you found that people who drink it perform slightly better on a math test. But here's the twist, the improvement is just 1 point. So let's say the results you found are statistically significant, which means that they're unlikely to have happened by chance. But it is not practically significant because 1 point increase on a math test may not be enough to say, wow, this drink is a game changer. So these two examples just show us that just because something is statistically significant doesn't mean it's practically significant. So to sum it up, statistical significance tells us the result isn't random. So if the result is not random, we believe there's a real reason behind what we observed. Practical significance tells us the result is useful in the real world. Both are important, so you want results that are not only statistically significant but also practically significant.